Israel has finalized a landmark $500 million deal with Boeing for additional KC-46, a Pegasus aerial refueling tankers, marking a significant milestone in the modernization of its air force. This acquisition is not just about adding new aircraft, it's about fundamentally transforming the Israeli Air Force's capabilities for the future. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a strategic leap forward, extending the Israeli Air Force's operational reach for decades to come. With these advanced tankers, Israeli fighter jets can now fly longer, farther, and respond to threats at a moment's notice, even in the most remote regions. The deal, confirmed in August 2025, deepens U.S.-Israel defense ties and underscores Israel's commitment to maintaining its military edge. It also highlights the ongoing partnership between the two nations, ensuring that Israel remains a key strategic ally in the region. The KC-46. A Pegasus is a true multi-mission aircraft, capable of aerial refueling, cargo transport, and personnel movement. Its versatility makes it a cornerstone of the IAF's modernization, supporting a wide range of missions from humanitarian aid to high-stakes combat operations. Israel's current refueling fleet is aging and technologically outdated, limiting its ability to respond to distant threats and reducing operational flexibility. These older aircraft have served well, but they can no longer meet the demands of modern warfare. The new tankers directly address these gaps, providing state-of-the-art capabilities for modern warfare. With advanced avionics, increased fuel capacity, and enhanced safety features, the KC-46A will dramatically improve the IAF's effectiveness. Mid-air refueling is essential for Israel, enabling long-range missions and rapid response far beyond its borders. This capability is crucial for both defensive and preemptive operations, giving Israel the flexibility to act swiftly when needed. This acquisition sends a clear message. Israel is investing in advanced technology to deter adversaries and reinforce its strategic posture. The KC-46A symbolizes a new era of readiness and resilience for the Israeli Air Force. With the KC-46A, the IAF will remain among the world's most capable air forces, ready for any challenge that may arise. The new tankers ensure that Israel can project power and defend its interests, no matter the distance. This deal ensures Israel's air power remains formidable in an unpredictable region, securing the nation's skies and strengthening its position as a leader in military innovation and preparedness. An aerial refueling plane is essentially a flying gas station, soaring high above the clouds to deliver a vital resource, fuel, right where it's needed most, in the middle of the sky. These specialized aircraft transfer fuel to other planes mid-flight, allowing them to continue their missions without ever having to land. The KC-46. A Pegasus, for example, uses a state-of-the-art fly-by-wire boom system. This technology enables rapid, precise fuel transfer to both nimble fighters and massive transport planes, even in turbulent skies. Such mid-air refueling demands expert coordination and communication between the tanker crew and the receiving pilots, often while flying in close formation and dealing with unpredictable weather or combat conditions. The KC-46A's advanced operator station features panoramic 3D displays and cutting-edge controls, giving operators a clear, real-time view of the refueling process and enhancing both safety and efficiency. Today's tankers are more than just flying fuel trucks. They're high-tech command platforms, fully integrated into military data networks for real-time coordination, intelligence sharing, and mission updates. Air-to-air refueling overcomes the fundamental limitation of fuel capacity, letting aircraft stay airborne for hours longer, supporting extended missions that would otherwise be impossible. This capability acts as a true force multiplier, enabling fewer jets to cover more ground, patrol longer, and strike targets much farther away than before. With aerial refueling, missions are no longer limited by the location of air bases. Aircraft can operate far from home, over remote or hostile territory, and still return safely. The result is a dramatic expansion of operational flexibility and strategic reach, giving air forces the ability to respond rapidly and effectively anywhere in the world. For any nation, this is a game changer in air power. For Israel, surrounded by potential threats and vast distances, it's absolutely essential for maintaining security and deterrence. The IAF's decision to acquire new tankers is driven by the urgent need to replace its aging Boeing 707-based RAM fleet. These decades-old aircraft are increasingly difficult and costly to maintain. with outdated technology and scarce spare parts. The Middle East's evolving threats, like long-range missiles and distant adversaries, demand greater operational reach. The old Ram tankers simply can't support complex deep-strike missions or modern fighters like the F-35 Adir. The KC-46A Pegasus offers more fuel, longer range, and advanced self-protection systems, making it far more survivable. Compatibility with the F-35 and other modern jets ensures seamless future-proof operations. Upgrading to the KC-46A isn't just about new planes, it's about keeping Israel's entire air combat system at the cutting edge. This synergy maximizes the effectiveness of every mission. The upgrade is essential for Israel's security and technological edge. This $500 million deal adds 4 more KC-46A tankers, bringing Israel's future fleet to 8. For Israel, even a small number of these advanced tankers represents a major boost in strategic capability. The agreement includes not just aircraft but also training, maintenance, and ground support, ensuring smooth integration. Funded through U.S. security assistance, the deal highlights the enduring U.S.-Israel partnership and Israel's qualitative military edge. The KC-46A's dual refueling systems allow it to service both Israeli and Allied aircraft, enhancing coalition operations. Advanced communications make the tanker a key node in networked warfare, improving mission coordination. Deliveries will be phased, allowing the IAF to train crews and develop new tactics without disrupting readiness. Once complete, the fleet will provide robust, resilient refueling for all critical missions. The IAF's refueling story began in the 1970s, converting civilian Boeing 707s into Ram tankers. These aircraft enabled Israel's long-range operations for decades, supporting daring missions far from home. Skilled crews kept the aging fleet flying, but time has taken its toll. Maintenance is costly and parts are scarce. The 707s are less efficient, carry less fuel, and lack modern defenses, making them vulnerable in today's contested airspace. Refueling operations are manual and outdated compared to the KC-46A's precision systems. The new Pegasus tankers represent a generational leap in technology, safety, and efficiency. Retiring the Ram fleet marks the end of an era, but it's necessary for Israel's future security. The KC-46A will ensure Israel's refueling capability is ready for 21st century threats. The transition is both a technological and strategic upgrade. Aerial refueling is the key to long-range air power, breaking the tyranny of distance that limits combat aircraft. For Israel, this isn't a luxury, it's a necessity, enabling strikes, intelligence missions, and air cover far from home. Tankers allow fighters and bombers to reach distant targets, loiter longer, and return safely. Complex missions often require multiple refuelings, demanding precise timing and coordination. This flexibility lets commanders redirect missions mid-flight or keep aircraft on alert for hours. During crises, tankers sustain continuous air patrols, providing persistent deterrence and rapid response. The KC-46A fleet will dramatically enhance the IAF's operational options and strategic depth. With these tankers, Israel can shape the battle space and respond to threats anywhere in the region. Long-range refueling is a force multiplier for every mission. The KC-46A tankers directly strengthen Israel's deterrence, projecting power across the region. This visible capability complicates adversaries' calculations and raises the cost of aggression. Israel's independent refueling fleet ensures it can act without relying on foreign support, a cornerstone of its defense doctrine. The tankers maximize the combat potential of advanced fighters, allowing heavier payloads and longer missions. Advanced self-protection systems make refueling operations safer, even in hostile environments. Strategic depth is vital for a small nation. These tankers let Israel confront threats before they reach its borders. The KC-46A fleet gives Israel's leaders more options to defend the nation proactively. This investment is a pillar of Israel's 21st century defense strategy. Israel's KC-46. A deal with Boeing sends a powerful and unmistakable signal across the Middle East, capturing the attention of both allies and adversaries alike. For adversaries like Iran, this acquisition demonstrates Israel's significantly enhanced ability to strike at long range, reinforcing its deterrence posture and making any potential aggression riskier and more costly. For the United States, the sale not only strengthens a key regional ally, but also promotes greater interoperability between the two militaries, while supporting the American defense industry and its workforce. Shared platforms like the KC-46A simplify joint training and coalition operations, making it easier for U.S. and Israeli forces to operate side by side, and deepening their already close military ties. Moderate Arab states observing these developments see a stronger Israel as both a reality they must acknowledge and a potential counterbalance to regional threats, especially those posed by Iran's ambitions. The deal indirectly benefits states concerned about Iran's growing influence, contributing to a sense of regional stability and shared security interests among U.S. partners. It also sends a clear message to global powers like Russia and China, highlighting the enduring strength and unity of the U.S.-Israel alliance in a rapidly changing world. The KC-46A's presence in the region showcases Western technological superiority, advanced capabilities, and the seamless integration of allied air forces, setting a high bar for potential adversaries. In an era defined by great power competition and shifting alliances, this deal is a strategic message in itself, underlining the importance of strong partnerships. The IAF's new tankers will serve as a constant reminder of Israel's extended reach, operational readiness, and its ability to respond rapidly to emerging threats. The entire region is watching these developments closely, and taking careful note of the new balance of power taking shape in the skies above. The KC-46A Pegasus marks a new era for the Israeli Air Force and national defense. These tankers redefine operational reach, flexibility and safety for Israel's most advanced fighters. They empower the IAF to meet complex, dispersed threats with confidence and agility. The deal reaffirms the U.S.-Israel alliance and Israel's commitment to self-reliance. The arrival of these tankers reshapes the region's strategic balance and reinforces deterrence. This investment is about securing time, options, and the future. In the turbulent Middle East, the KC-46A will be Israel's silent guardian for years to come.